नमस्कार, हमारे साथ हैं डीबी पाटिल यूनिवर्सिटी के डॉक्टर श्याले कंगर जी। जी हाँ दोस्तों, हम आज जानते हैं जिस प्रकार से यूएस इंटरनेशनल का यहाँ कार्यक्रम हो रहा है, क्या कुछ सोचते हैं। मैम, आपका बहुत बहुत स्वागत है।
Thank you so much, and let me congratulate Mr. Ishan Sharma ji for doing such a wonderful activities, especially because I feel like it's a eighth year of achievement which we are celebrating at ITC.
जी।
We're almost from all over the country, many placement officers, training and placement department, head of the department, directors, deans, vice chancellors have come. It's a great pleasure, and I think this kind of activity which has been started by UAS International Group is really interesting. The reason is the world is coming so close, and now the students need to have the international exposure. So with Mr. Ishan, we are working with almost more than 6 to 7 years. We can say that since from its inception, and students have really explored the wonderful opportunities to work in international market. When we talk about getting an experience, it means that the student needs to go and work hands-on experience with the companies, and that's what precisely has been done by UAS International Group of Companies. We have signed an MOU with this group of companies, with both organizations. The reason is the DY Patil Group of Institution is a very large group known for its the complete expanse all over Maharashtra, and not only in Maharashtra but also in internationally also, especially in Belgium and all. We are in medical and other schools, and then the different faculties. And I think that's what is being focused on here, that how we can give an exposure to our student. So students, they have done their projects with the opportunities which have been shared by Ishanji in the area of management, hotel management, right? Even in case of engineering also. And I think that's really important, because working in international company, the reason is we need to understand the culture, we need to understand the processes of these companies, which will bring the world close to the Indian companies, because this experience will definitely play a role for the students to work with the companies which are based out of India. Because now if you look at it, everyone is together, and after the COVID-19, I think the world has come so close that this engagement of student, development of student, developing competency at international level is very important, and that is being done very precisely, very nicely by this group of companies. So I congratulate you, US International Group of Companies, and I'm sure that our MOUs which we have signed with them will go in a long way. We are expecting the student from School of Design, School of Architecture, School of Hotel Management, and of course School of Management and School of Engineering and Technology will explore more number of opportunities provided by Mr. Ishan, who is Managing Director of US Group of Companies. So thank you so very much.
खासतौर से मैम, जिस प्रकार से यूएस इंटरनेशनल ने लॉफ्ट करियर की शुरुआत की है ऑनलाइन एजुकेशन की, इस पर आप क्या कुछ कहेंगे?
Yes, I think the time has come where the players like the US International Group of Companies and many companies, along with the educational groups from India, are now realized that the hybrid mode of learning is very important, right? Because students would like to have the sessions online and even in campus, right? But now when we talk about online education, it means that this exposure of US International, because their network is so strong with the international education, and I'm sure that those faculty members, those students will definitely interact with our Indian student, and that will give a different mileage to the education institutions in India. So I congratulate on that particular part of it, because student engagement and especially on hybrid mode is very very important.
मैम, न्यू एजुकेशन पॉलिसी आएगा, ऐसे में ऐसे स्टेक होल्डर के कितने इम्पोर्टेंस रह जाते हैं?
When we talk about National Education Policy 2020, it has its own implications, especially in terms of, because it has opened the door now. It's not because only it's a technology driven, but we are talking about how we can have multidisciplinary education, right? That will really help students to understand. We were focused on one particular education, but today Honorable Prime Minister Narendra Modi ji has taken a wonderful step that we can open this a bank of courses, right, and which can be taken by the students who are there in campuses. So student from engineering can pick up the management subject, management student can pick up engineering or pharmacy for that matter, which is relevant to their own professions. And I think that will enhance the more of employability of the students to work in tomorrow's organization. So national education policy has given a wonderful dimension and opened the many doors for everyone. So innovators in education, thinkers in education, and of course academicians and researchers have many opportunities to really explore, to give best to the students of this country. So I'm really happy with national education policy. It depends upon now that how teachers are going to implement it in their own campuses.
जी हाँ, बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया, बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद।
Thank you. Thank you.
जी हाँ दोस्तों, तो ये थे सियाले गंगर जी जो खास तौर से बता रहे थे कि आज स्टेक होल्डर की ज़्यादा महत्ता है और ऐसे समय में जब न्यू एजुकेशन पॉलिसी आई है और ऐसे समय में निश्चित तौर पर युवाओं के लिए एक महत्वपूर्ण कदम लिया है। कैमरा पर्सन राशिद का मानवेंद्र, नमस्कार।